Hey guys, Hollywood Carousel here. Today we're going to be doing a video of the fan display, but with the cosmic light going there. And what I'm going to do is start it up with a lot of fans I installed. Here we have this Winter and Brown Studio Collection. I got Habitat for Humanity. See the date where it's from. Yeah. Over here we got the Spell Howl socket fan. I purchased this in 2023 at Walmart. This orange Honeywell Turbo Force I got from Target. Matte black Harvey's Gaskin hook type of one I got from Lowe's. And we have this Casablanca Four Seasons Slumber Quiet antique brass. Got it at Habitat for Humanity Restore. Got this Bahama HC42 antique brass. It came from somewhere. I don't know where. We also got this pink. Never won this one, but in pink. Also got it from Target. We have a Hunter retro desk fan, oscillating type of one. I got for Christmas. Berhalter socket fan. I got for my birthday. Alaska box fan. I have this forever. It's kind of not that bad. Got Harbor Breeze Valdosta in white. Got Lowe's. Yeah, of course of that. We have Hampton Bay Conure. Got from the Home Depot. Matte black. Well, that lamp got from the Brass Armadillo, and this one came from Alley Cat Vintage, which has that Four Seasons here. And I have a Armory display. I still need a white one at least. We have the brush nickel one was gone at Habitat for Humanity. It's a different location around Omaha. And this one is matte black. Came from eBay. This one the box thing is, and I'm gonna start the fan up too low. This one's not electrically reversible, as I can tell. This one's got variable speed on it, and a blue light I put it in. This one I keep in reverse. Has no light. This one is not electrically reversible, and same for that one. So let me get these on, except for that. And this one is kind of powerful. Kind of cool. I don't know what finish is that. Maybe one. This one's got kind of switch on it, and this one's oscillating. Here's low, and I forgot about this one. And this one is also not electrically reversible. It has the same thing as Valdosta. It's just like Valdosta, but more cooler, as you can tell. And same for this, I keep this one reversed. Because I don't know why I still need that. Because there's a white Armory on Facebook Marketplace. But I'm not in the mood to get it. I feel like I want to get when I'm in Wisconsin sometime, because I'm leaving Nebraska tomorrow. This one is very cool. And I got that old lamp from Alley Head Vintage. Well, just that one. Alright, time for medium. And this one. And for that one. Let's see this one. Medium. This one literally wobbles bad. Medium. This one medium. Oh, this. I got to get these in next, but hold up. Medium. And for those boys, this one is really kind of nice. I don't know why. And that one, yeah, the light stopped working because it's not good. Yep. And of course, that one there. Very powerful. Cool. And now for high. This one seriously flies a lot. And yeah, this one is not just a thing. Hi. Oh yeah, and I forgot about this. Let me hope this one is medium. If not, I'm in high. Okay, that's, yeah, that's high. One, there, now high. Alright. This one blows a lot of air. I got the color bullets on there. The top is blue. Bullets are not reversible on that one. Yeah, except for this one. Left side is facing down. And that one there. On. Yeah, for some reason there's one thing. So both on there. That one there. Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, power to oscillator. This one goes a lot of air. And that that one. This one blows a lot of air. Seriously, look at that. And just like this one, I think this one is kind of got a lot of air. Look at that. Alright. We'll see about spin down on it. I'm not sure. This one stops pretty easily. Oh, look at that. And this one stops pretty as well. That one there. Yeah. Off for this one. This one. Oh shit. Sorry for me about that. I guess. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna shut these off. Yep. Let me get these off. Off. Alright, everything is spinning down here. Oh yeah, that one is kind of there. Because even though I've seen this, I had the bullets facing down like that because I wanted to recreate the Sorry's Tavern fan. And, you know, that's in Bellevue. And, of course, there's one of this in a dog room place in the same finish. And so many is in Midtown Crossing. I used to see white ones, but it was too late. Alright, that one's slow. Alright, yeah, alright, it stopped. Okay, that one stopped. Okay, the Windsor Brown stopped. That Valdosta, sorry about that. I don't know why I'm so... Conyer stopped. Still going. Okay, Gaskin is still there. Okay, that's off. And, yep, there'll be a lot of this. Okay, that's off. And, yep. And that one. Okay, that one's about to stop. Ooh, and that one. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Cosmic Fan Display video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment. What's your favorite fan here? Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications. And yeah. Yep. It's all in video. See you later. Goodbye.